Hi there. If you're trying to hide Christmas surprises this year, but you share a laptop with curious kids, or just somebody in the house who loves pressing buttons that they shouldn't, then this video is for you. Now, unfortunately, Google Drive doesn't let you password protect a file or folder, but there are some sneaky little tricks you can use to keep your Christmas lists safe. So today I'm sharing you 4 secret ways to protect your Christmas files in Google Drive. Let's get started. So if you've got a Christmas list, a gift tracker, or a gift ideas document, turn it into a password protected PDF. Just create your list in Google Docs, go to File, download PDF, and then use a free tool like Sedgda.com, upload the PDF, add a password, and then download it again. Check that the password works correctly within the PDF, and then upload that into your drive. And now, even if somebody clicks it while your laptop's unattended, they won't be able to see anything without putting in the password first. Easy, right? So moving on to the second secret. Now, this one is very low tech, but seriously, it does work. Keep your real Christmas files inside a totally boring folder. So something like insurance documents or tax receipts 2024. Kids and partners will not click anything that has words like tax in it. I guarantee it. You can even rename the files so they don't contain the word Christmas, just in case the nosy people decide to do a search for anything Christmas related. It's basically like digital camouflage. And if you really don't want Christmas surprises showing up in your main drive, then put them in a separate Google account. Then add that account as a separate Chrome profile. It's literally one click to switch. So even if your laptop is left open on your main account, the Christmas stuff is in a different drive that no one else can see because you're not logged into that Chrome profile. Sneaky. Now, my final tip is something that I've been using myself recently, which I find especially useful for when I wander off halfway through editing a file, which I then leave on my screen. And that's to use a Chrome extension to automatically lock or blur an open tab. So the one that I use is called Tab Locker Room, which can lock and password protect open tabs. So if you leave your drive open with your Christmas file on screen, click on lock and it will blur out the document and ask for a password to see it again. So yeah, Google Drive doesn't let you password protect a file or folder, but you've got 4 real solid ways to hide your Christmas files and keep the surprises actually surprising. So if you found this helpful, please share it with anyone you know who's got kids, partners, or colleagues who are a little bit nosy, and let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try yourself. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.